Welcome back everybody, and in today's video we're going to be stripping down the car ready for the upgrades to go on. First we got the car up on axle stands and removed the wheels. One last glance at the engine before we remove it. All air core removed and not going back on the car. Out with the leaking radiator. Here's a view of the underneath with a nice oily mess. Unbolting the inlet manifold so we can gain access to remove all the starter motor bolts. With that removed, we unbolted the starter motor. After this, we went round the other side and unbolted all the exhaust bolts. And then, magic happened. Now we've took the engine out, we can see where all the oil leaks have been coming from. We then lowered the engine onto an engine stand. Next up was to remove the no longer needed front subframe. With the engine removed, it's time to take out the gearbox and give the bay a wash. Now time to tackle the rear end. Now the final bit's out, time to add that to the scrap pile. Now here it is with everything removed. Now time to give it a scrub down and tidy up the underneath. After a couple days of cleaning and sprucing up, this is what she looks like. Then my cousin came round and he had a look too.
Hello, I'm under Aiden's Mx5. Do you like it? Because I really love it.
We then stripped the engine down, see what seals and gaskets need replacing. That's it for this week's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Join us for next week's video for the big parts reveal.